Amazon Prime, how do I watch this problem? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can solve how do I watch this problem on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have been getting the how do I watch this issue on Amazon Prime, it is actually quite very simple to do so. But first of all, understand that this actually happens because Amazon has completely removed the way to subscribe to Amazon Prime via the app, which means it doesn't support in-app purchases. That's why it will give you instructions on redirecting to the website. So basically what you have to do is you can go to primevideo.com or amazon.com to subscribe the Prime membership. Then you can tap and start your free trial, log into your Prime or Amazon account, then you'll be able to get the premium. That it will say you that kind of option in the app because the app now does not have the option to make the purchases. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.